This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for your government permanent account number, or PAN, card. The most straightforward and official way to apply for new PAN card is online. You'll need to visit either the Protean eGov Technologies Limited, formerly NSDL, or the UDITSL websites. For individual applicants with a valid Aadhaar number, the Income Tax e-filing portal also offers a quick, paperless, and free instant ePAN option. These are the only government-approved online methods. Before you begin your online application, it's crucial to have all your necessary documents ready. You will need valid proof of identity, such as your Aadhaar card, voter identification card, or passport. Additionally, prepare a document for proof of address, which could be your Aadhaar card, a recent utility bill, or your spouse's passport. Finally, you'll need proof of your date of birth, like a birth certificate or your Aadhaar card. Having these ready will streamline your application process. Once your documents are prepared, navigate to your chosen official portal. First, select the correct application type, typically Form 49 for Indian citizens. Then, meticulously fill in the online form with all your personal and contact information. You'll be prompted to upload scanned copies of your identity, address, and date of birth proofs. It's vital to double-check all the details you've entered to avoid any discrepancies, ensuring a smooth and error-free submission before moving to the payment stage. After completing the form and uploading documents, you'll proceed to pay the application fee. For a physical PAN card delivered to an Indian address, this fee is typically around 107 rupees, inclusive of taxes. Payment can be made conveniently via credit or debit card, net banking, or a demand draft. Once your payment is successful, you will receive an acknowledgement number. Remember to save this number, as it's essential for tracking your application status and for sending physical documents if that submission method was selected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.